This is William's first time eating peas because he is a big 6-month-old. See what he thinks of peas. See the peas? Peas. Baby food? Look, Mommy will eat peas. Mommy eating peas. Mmm. Mmm. Yes, I'm sure I'm going to get some criticism for sticking that spoon in my mouth first. Try peas. Oops, lost some peas. Put some peas in your mouth. William. I don't think he likes